Okay, it's March 2nd. Hudson has food on his face because he was eating a snack. Here, buddy. Show him how you crawl. Huddy. Go get it. Go get it. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. Oh, we still have a snack left. Go get the toy. There we go. We're going the wrong way, though. Udders, look. This is how we do it. The inchworm. The inchworm. Come get it some more. Good job, buddy. You got the puffers. Hi! Food on your face. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Bye-bye. All right, Peanut.